Welcome to VinIndia. VinIndia has established itself as a leading engineering manufacturing company in Pune, India. Through its dedication to quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction, VinIndia continues to contribute to the growth and success of various industries by providing reliable, efficient, and cutting-edge filling machines, secondary packaging machines, special-purpose machines, vision systems, robotics automation and end-of-line solutions. VinIndia is committed to delivering products and solutions of the highest quality, complying with international standards and industry best practices. The company prioritizes continuous innovation and invests in research and development to stay at the forefront of technological advancements. By leveraging advanced engineering techniques and state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, VinIndia ensures that its offerings meet the evolving needs and expectations of its customers.
Thank you for watching video. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel.